like a clutch purse. You know, you don't want to just set it down, but then again, there's no strap on it, so where are you going to put it?
Clutch purse, strap on. So how do you differentiate between good cocaine and bad cocaine?
What do you mean? What's it like? Depends what kind of cocaine you get.
Well,
if you get good cocaine, it's great. If you get shitty cocaine, it's shitty cocaine. You know?
How do you differentiate between good cocaine and bad cocaine?
Well, I don't do it anymore, so it's not even an issue. But I remember my buddy Chris Christopherson had some. We were at a Gemco. That was an old-fashioned. It used to be like a Target.
Mm-hmm.
We were in there. We were stealing like those little fuzzy little animals and things they got for animals, for dogs or cats. As little toys. We were putting them in our shorts, and that would just I don't.